All right, guys, in this video, you're going to learn everything you need to know about the upcoming PubMatic IPO so you can decide if you want to buy or pass. We're going to go over the IPO stock price, the date, the company, and the S1 financials. I'm also going to give you my decision at the end of the video, so stay tuned. What's going on, you guys and girls? My name is Sam. Welcome back to Rico Suave IPOs. If you want to learn everything about upcoming IPOs, then you came to the right place. So make sure you click that like button and subscribe. Also, forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, guys. A lot of you guys are watching my videos but are not subscribing. I still appreciate you, but I appreciate you a lot more if you're subscribing. Join the notification squad, okay? So today we're going to talk about PubMatic, and it's an advertising platform, and I'm into advertising. That's what I do for a living. So I'm very excited to cover this one. It's going to be IPOing tomorrow. So if you tune in tonight, you know, one of the lucky ones. All right, so with that being said, let's get right into it. A quick shout out to my patrons. Your generosity and contributions allow me to do what I love to do and keep the channel growing, so thank you. If you like my content and want to see more of it, then please consider supporting me on Patreon. I've got 3 different tiers full of benefits like portfolio updates, private Discord channels, and a one-on-one phone call. You can now also become a channel member by clicking on that join button and signing up to receive cool badges, perks, and more. All right, so here's your IPO scoop. We're going to scroll down and try to find PubMatic. I see right there C3A1. That's going to be tomorrow as well. And DoorDash is going to be tomorrow as well. I did videos on both of these companies, guys. If you haven't seen them, please feel free to go through my video library. We also have Airbnb on Thursday. So if you haven't seen that video, I also made a video on Airbnb. It's one of the first ones I ever did. So let's find PubMatic real quick right here. Ticker symbol is going to be PUBM. They're going to come in at a low price of $16 and a high price of $18. And like I said, it's going to be tomorrow, Wednesday, December 9th. So we'll see what happens, guys. But let's learn about the company by clicking right here on the link. All right, so PubMatic fuels the endless potential of internet content creators. Our company provides a specialized cloud infrastructure platform that enables ad buyers to do real-time programmatic advertising transactions with publishers. Interesting. PubMatic was founded 14 years ago with the vision that data-driven decisions will be the future of advertising. We do not own media, and we do not have a vested interest in driving ad revenue to specific media properties. Our global platform is omni-channel, supporting a wide array of ad formats and digital device types. In the third quarter of 2020, we serve approximately 1,100 publishers and app developers. Cool, including many of the leading digital companies such as Verizon Media Group and News Corp. So very interesting company, right? Employees, we're looking at around 518 employees, founded in 2006. Here's my man Donovan Jones with his IPO report for Seeking Alpha, and it says PubMatic targets $100 million IPO. Here's a quick summary. PubMatic has filed proposed terms for a $100 million IPO. The firm provides a sell-side PubMatic, I keep saying that word wrong, programmatic advertising platform to publishers and app developers. PUBM has shown revenue growth and profits resiliency in the face of COVID-19, which is good, right? And the IPO appears reasonably priced. Okay, so it's worth a closer look. Let's scroll down, see what else he has to say. The company was founded to enable real-time programmatic advertising transactions via a specialized purpose-built advertising database and delivery infrastructure. The system assists to help publishers and application developers monetize their advertising placement inventory in an efficient and reliable manner across different devices and platforms. Some of its major competitors include Magnite and Google. For their total revenue ending in September of 2020, they had $92 million right there, which is a little bit of a drop from last year. They had $113 million. Looking at the net income, in September of 2020, they had a $7.7 million net income. So that is a positive net income, and I do like that because we don't see a lot of IPOs that are positive. As of September 30, 2020, PubMatic had $40.6 million in cash and $132 million in total liabilities. The shareholders intend to sell 5.9 million shares of Class A common stock, priced at around $17 or so. Assuming the IPO is successful, the company enterprise value upon IPO, right, it will be around $833 million, so almost $1 billion, guys. All right, guys, so here's a PubMatic YouTube channel. Let's see if we can find some of the videos that explain some of their products. They have 702 subscribers, 3 subscribers, right now. Let's see. Let's look on videos. And let's check out this one. It says, understand the supply path optimization, and see what that is all about. Because it's all about optimizing your ads, guys. That's all it is.
Programmatic advertising is complex. Automation is supposed to make transactions more streamlined and effective. But sometimes, for media buyers, the digital supply chain can deliver poor ROI. It's a lowest common denominator problem. A buyer is only ever as good as their worst supply partner. A highly fragmented system is a breeding ground for under-the-table mechanics, which is why many media buyers are turning to supply path optimization, or SPO. SPO is a mechanism for buyers to reclaim control of multiple areas of the digital supply chain. It can take place at any point in the supply chain. Today, we're focusing on how media buyers can optimize their relationships with supply partners, the SSPs. By pruning long-tail SSPs, leveraging real-time algorithms, and consolidating on strategic partners, buyers can ensure that every dollar is as traceable and impactful as possible.
So, like I was saying, it's all about ad placement, right, guys? So if you can eliminate those advertising channels that are not providing you with the best ROI, return of investment, and you can take better aim at your customers, that will help you save money. So it's all about ad placement right here. I really like this right here. And, you know, it explains what the company does right here, this slide right here. So before that, you kind of like throwing money at all kinds of different advertising channels, right? So, you know, you have your spoof inventory, your non-humanic traffic, your outdated tech, which a lot of people still use, right? The non-premium inventory, hidden fees, and all that stuff. And right here, just you kind of like eliminate all those different venues, and boom, right down the middle right there, you had the best use of your advertising dollars.
As possible. Regularly optimizing your digital supply chain will positively impact ROI. Head to PubMatic.com to find out how SPO can positively impact your bottom line.
All right, so what is PubMatic? Let's look at their website real quick. The future of programmatic delivered. Consumer video public viewing habits have become increasingly fragmented. In time of great change, digital leaders who prevail will learn from implementing the best practices and most innovative technologies at their disposal. Download a white paper right there. So what makes PubMatic different? Well, result-centric approach, omni-channel monetization, innovating for transparency. That's part of their solutions. We help you stay ahead of the industry trends. Like I said, guys, if you are able to deliver relevant ads, you will save money and your members will appreciate you for it, your customers, right? You have reports, blog, events, and all that good stuff. Let's go over to right here, scale that drives results right here. 515 global employees, 1 trillion advertiser bits per day. So they get paid, you know, to show advertising and stuff like that. Kind of like a bidding system, kind of like YouTube, you have to bid for your ads, right? 1.65 petabytes of new data processed daily about us. Results delivered. Our mission empowers independent app developers and publishers to control and maximize their digital advertising business, and enables advertisers to drive ROI, return of investment, by reaching and engaging their target audiences in the brand-safe premium environments across formats and devices. All right, guys, so SPO is supply path optimization. That's what the company is all about. That's what it helps all the companies do. I'm very excited for this company. I want to look at the S1 now to verify some numbers, but, you know, like I said, I'm in advertising. I'm a little bit of a geek for when it comes to marketing. So, and I do have a master's degree in marketing. So let's look at the S1 real quick to make sure that the numbers make sense. All right, so right here, we're looking at the S1. This one was filed November 13, 2020. PubMatic Incorporation, right? We're gonna scroll down and hit my favorite areas real quick. I don't want this video to go too long. It's already kind of long, but if you have any questions about the company, just please leave it in the comments below, of course. All right, here we go. Table of contents. Let's look at capitalization. Scrolling down, cash and cash equivalents for 2020, we're looking at $55.2 million. These are in thousand, guys. So 52,000, you know, 55,000 is really 55 million, right? Very good. So total capitalization, we look at $108 million. All right, back to the table of contents. We looked at capitalization. Let's look at the consolidated financial data. to make sure it matches what we've been reading on the reports. We're looking at a revenue of in 2020 of $92.5 million with a gross profit of $62.7 million. We're gonna scroll down, keep going. Net cash diluted. All right, net income. I passed it. My bad. Right here. Net income, we're looking at $7.7 million. So not too bad. I like to see those positive numbers, of course. We all do, right? All right, guys, so here's a company that's all about delivering targeted advertising to increase your ROI and save companies money. It made $92 million in revenue this last year, and they're about to sell 5.9 million shares for around $17 or so. What I do like about this company is that it's profitable. They do have a net income of $7.7 million. So am I gonna buy or pass on this company? I can tell you right now that this is going to be a buy for me. Big thumbs up. I will be picking up a few shares tomorrow. So if you want to see what I'm picking up, make sure you join my Discord and my Patron. Of course, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Are you going to be investing in PubMatic? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rico solves the main. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, ya. I think you'll go your house, your money, leave you broke, son.